Hey, what's up, y'all? Out here behind the truck with the tailgate down. I'm cleaning the old Rossi. I'm getting ready to do a ammo test with the Code Black Turkey and the Rossi 410. So I'm gonna show you how I clean my gun to get it polished up the best you can get it, so you get a true ammo test whenever you do these tests. So let's get at it. Now, there's thousands of gun cleaning videos. Mine's going to be similar, if not the same as some of the other ones. I'm just going to show you how I do it. It may be the same, it may be similar to other videos out there, but I'm just going to show you how I do it personally. Just a personal preference, the way that I like to clean my guns. First off, let's get the gunk and grind out of it. I got my little wire brush here. It says on this thing right here what caliber it's for. This is for the 410. On a single shot, the breakdown side, I always go in from that direction to the end of the barrel. I leave my choke in because that's part of the gun. I mean, it's what you're shooting. I'll take it out later and show you how I clean the threads and stuff. Just take it right out the end of the barrel, just like that. Now, rather than pull it back through, I always take the wire brush off. It might be a little bit longer process because you do that. Pull that out, put it back on, and repeat the process in the same direction. What I'm doing is I don't want to pull it back through the barrel because I don't want to pull all that crap back into this breakdown. And I usually do that about, I don't know, 3 or 4 times. Just got one of these little brushes here. I got some gun oil. Use whatever you like. It's just what I had laying around. So I'm going to coat that with some oil lubricant. Let it hang out for a minute. Let it get soaked in. It'll drip. That's fine. Now I'm going to repeat the same thing I just did with the wire brush from this direction. Go straight out. I've still got the choke in. Same process. Take that brush off, just like that. Put it back on. Push it back through. Man, where I cleaned this thing the other day, that barrel is smooth. I can tell the difference by cleaning it today. I only shot a couple shots to it the other day after I cleaned it, so it's not that dirty. And you just want to repeat that process 3 or 4 times, or until it's looking like you like it. I usually go 3 or 4 times. That usually gets most of the gunk out. I'll show you how I run these wipes through here to clean all that stuff out of the barrel. But what I do is I just put that right over top of that like that and just push those pads through it. It'll probably shoot out because of the choke. There we go. See how dirty that is? Now, instead of grabbing another pad, I'll just flip it around to where the cleaner side goes through. and repeat the process. All right, that's a little cleaner. Now I'm gonna grab some more pads here. And you can periodically check it. Man, that thing's looking pretty good. Now at this point, I'm gonna take my choke out. I'm gonna take this little brush I got the oil on. I'm just gonna take it where the about threads deep, and just twist it. Just like that right there. I'll take one of these little things here, put a pad on it just like that right there, put it up in there, and just twist it like that. That should get all that crap out of it. It's looking good, man. Go ahead and put the choke back in. I don't know if you can see this or not, but I'm gonna try my best here. See how shiny and clean that is? I'm gonna do that with every test from here on out, just to make sure that every ammo gets a fair opportunity in testing. So